Partial differences subtraction. Partial differences is the type of subtraction where we take a number like 812 and we break it up into place value parts. We're going to do that with all the numbers that get subtracted. I'm going to take 812 and I'm going to turn it into 800 because the 8 is in the hundreds place. 110 is in the tens place, and a 2 is in the ones place. I'm now going to do the same with 386. There's a 3 in the hundreds place. That means that number is worth 300. There are 8 tens, that's worth 80, and 6 ones. Now I'm going to start from left to right in the hundreds place and do my subtracting. 800 minus 300 is 500. 10 minus 80 looks somewhat confusing. If I have 10 marbles, can I give someone 80 back? That doesn't work. But I can do 80 minus 10 and come up with 70, and my answer then will be a negative number. It is less than 0. I'll do the same thing in the ones place. I cannot take 2 marbles and give you 6, but I can end up with a negative number. So 6 minus 2 is 4, but it is a negative 4. Anytime the bottom number is larger, you will get a negative answer. Now I need to do 500 minus 70 minus 4. 500 minus 70 is 430, and 430 minus 4 ends up to be 426. Let's try another example. 741 minus 283. I've already broken up the numbers into their place value parts. 7 in the hundreds place is worth 700. 4 in the tens place is worth 40. 1 in the ones place is worth 1. The same with 283. 2 is worth 200. 8 in the tens place is worth 80. And 3 is worth 3 ones. Let's subtract. 700 minus 200 is 500. Some of you may be looking at it as 7 minus 2 is 5, and the zeros just come on down. Again, 40 minus 80 is going to give me a negative number because 8 is larger, and that is 40. And 1 minus 3 is going to be a negative 2. Now I subtract 500 minus the 40, and I get 460. And 460 minus 2 equals 458. So 441 minus 283 is 458. Let's do one more. As you can see, I've broken down my digits into their place value parts. 400 minus 300 is 100. 10 minus 40 is a negative 30. 2 minus 6 is again a negative 4. 100 minus 30 is 70. 70 minus 4 is 66. 412 minus 346 is 66. Now, stop the video, get out your journal, and write the questions and the answers and the date for your partial differences subtraction page. Question 1. The first thing I do for partial differences is A, break the number into place value. B, cross out what I don't need. C, subtract from the ones place, or D, I don't know. Question 2. Sometimes when subtracting, I may get a negative number. A, yes, every time. B, yes, but only sometimes. C, no, this will never happen. Or D, I don't know. If you need to go back and watch the video at any time, please do so. Question 3. 513 minus 488 will be broken into these place value parts. A, 500, 10, and 3 minus 488. B, 513 minus 488. C, 513 minus 488. Or D, I don't know. Question 4. Please write this problem in your journal using the partial differences method, showing each place value part, and find out the answer. A, 61, B, 161, C, 260, or D, 16. When you are finished computing these problems in your journal, stop the video, click on the link that says Link to the Assessment, sign in with your Google account username and password, making sure you add @isd271.org using your password, and fill out the quiz requirements online. That way we will know that you have done your homework for partial differences subtraction.